Oh, looks like today, A is for acne. Popping's fun for the whole family. At least until things start to burst. Well, we can make our own fun. With jelly candies. Fill it with something slimy. Add a poked cover, and soon it's squeezing time. Wow, I've heard of big mouths before, but this guy takes the cake. And a good shape, too. Guess his mouth's bigger than his stomach. Let's clean him up and let him be. Well, slime's still a good time. Even if it's got a certain aroma. Pour it into a balloon and twist it up. Hey, look in the wastebasket. It's a squishy chicken. Let's combine them. Double the squeeze, double your fun. Guess even fashion dolls gotta go. Kinda surprised it's not pink. Oh, it's just clay. It's time to get crafty. Use accessories and different colors. But the real fun's in squishing them. We can use nano tape and chocolate. Well, we obviously can't eat it. So let's pour it on the tape. Now seal it up nice and tight. Ooh, it's really long. Now give it a good twist. And a good squeeze. Oh, golden balls on a silver platter. And just look what's inside. Try to guess the colors inside. Guess it's a one-time deal, though. Well, anything in the wastebasket? More chocolate. Well, it's going on a balloon. And have fun crunching it up. A frog. He's so squishy. But he doesn't snap back. Especially if you cut him up. Why don't we hook up a hose and blow him up nice and big? Let's see how big he can get. And remember, frogs are all about bouncing. Well, if we want something froggy, this bag's the right color. It just needs a face, a paper ribbon, and some tape. You'll have a cute little pouch that's really fun to poke. Who needs pasta when we've got the pasta maker? Add some clay and start cranking. And it'll come out in spirals and all sorts of colors. You can also have French fries and a bunch of grated cheese. Don't forget the sauce. Delicious. For you, let's use some old gum. And roll it up into a nice round ball. This old press should help. Place your gum ball inside. Gum ball. Give it a good push, and we've got pasta. Transforming dog car?
Yay!
Well, we see the car. And now it's a dog. Let's bark it. I mean, park it. Ooh, what a nice cup stack. Well, it was nice while it lasted. Besides, if we make a few cuts, run some string right through them. Now for some eyes and claws. And you've got yourself a dragon. I wonder what's in the box. Ooh, a bubble glove. Give it a dip and start blowing. Now it's time for a wave. If you want to make your own bubbles, ooh, a straw. Make that straws. Cut them into tiny pieces. Now line them up on a piece of tape. Roll them up. Give it a dip. And blow. Remember, a stick helps. Also makes it look like a lollipop. Next, my favorite kind of emojis, the squishy kind. And when you're done, you can just squish the whole thing. Ugh, mosquitoes! But since they're already here, it looks like squishing time. Oh, somebody needs a manicure. So let's use our Glam Nail Studio. Your nails get an instant makeover. And if you've got it, flaunt it. Don't get jealous, get even. All you need is a paper cup. Poke some holes through it. And roll up some paper and tape on a skewer. Now add some fake nails in a row. Place it inside the cup. What you waiting for? Try it out. We've got one for each finger. Hungry? Well, it's pizza time. But this is no ordinary pizza. It's stretchy. And so are the toppings. I think everyone's gonna want a slice. Well, we can have fun with the box art. Cut it out. And reattach it with string. It's like some really gooey cheese. If only you could eat it. Next up, someone's got a present. Ooh, Ooh, water jelly molds. Look, a crown. But every crown needs its jewels. Add to water and shake it off. Take it out and squeeze it. If you don't have any jelly, draw something with dry erase markers. Once again, it'll pop off in water. So, make yourself a little aquarium.